welcome back to the channel. Bought another car. Surprise, surprise. Another car I don't really need. It's an ongoing theme with this channel. Yeah, bought it off a family member, and yeah, she's trying to sell it during Christmas. That wasn't happening because, you know, it's Christmas. She needed some money for presents and stuff. So I came along and thought, I know, I'd just help her out and buy it off her because that's what I need. You know, more cars. And naturally, it wants work doing on it. This camera is really wobbly. I do apologise. Yeah, so yeah. So yeah, I wanted some work doing on it. It leaks in water. It did want turbo. My brother-in-law, very appreciative of him helping me out. So he did the turbo for us because I've got arthritis in my hands a little bit, and that is very painful for me because it's winter. Yeah, so want some work doing on it. Wants a bit of paint work on the bumper, on the back bumper. Just want some stupid little bits doing to it. But yeah, other than that, it's an half decent car. Bought it for the wife to drive because she prefers diesels than petrols. I don't get it, but you know, whatever. Wants a couple more bits. I don't know if you can hear, but the front suspension's pretty battered. Wants bushes, all the bushes at the front, every single one of them. So yeah, that's something that needs doing. Ow. And obviously it does want an MOT. This camera is really wobbly. I do apologise so very much. Can I spin around here? Yes, I can. It's supposed to have 160 horsepower standard. I reckon it's definitely 200 plus. If there's enough interest in this little car, I may have it slapped on a rolling road to see how much exactly it is, and maybe have a bit of a more spicy tune, who knows, without breaking it. I definitely could do without breaking it, but yeah, there's definitely some clunks, some bangs coming from this thing. So yeah, it's a half decent motor, like I say. It gets up and goes when you want it to. It does have a thing where it chucks out loads of smoke out the back. I'm not fond of that in the slightest. So yeah, that's about it really. I have bought some little things for it, like a glove box handle. It does want one of them because the one that's on it is non-existent, and the driver's side air vent, adjustable air vent, is non-existent. There was bits there, but there was one bit's missing off the passenger side one, so I made one good one out of the two, and I put all the ones on the passenger side, which made the one on the driver's side non-existent. But I've got a plan. Like I say, it does leak in water. It was coming from the heater matrix vent. there is another leak from somewhere. I don't know where. I think it's coming from the doors. I wonder if it's overwhelming the little drains. I'm not sure. I'll have to science it. So yeah, but we'll see on that one. It's very wet and windy day today. Perfect day for filming. But yeah, I don't stop behind a bloody tractor now. So yeah, that's fun. So this is the first project vehicle of the year. Yes, I know. I've got enough projects as it is. Really don't need any more. But yeah. It does have stupid blacked out lights at the back. I have started to just buff it off because well, you couldn't see the indicators. That's how black it was. So don't want to get pulled up. So I have quickly just sandpapered them down with some, I think it was 2000 grit, I think. But yeah, so they're done. I need to finish them off because I've not even polished them yet. They need polishing. So that's a job. So there's the glove box, the boost gauge, the entire front suspension wants doing, the rear lights, paintwork, not getting stuck in traffic, be nice. Yeah. For ages. I'm down some country lanes at the moment, just so you can hear the banging. So yeah, once paintwork, as you can see, it does smoke a lot. Yeah, these are the wheels I really don't like. Once stupid stuff like that. Once a very big wash, it's missing the front vent there. Yeah, and it's got a black roof. Like I say, it's pretty decent. Like I say, this is the water in the back. Yeah, should have done that. Yeah. It's pretty decent. Definitely wants a bit of a clean. But yeah, it's not bad at all. And yeah, it's pretty decent. It's got some stupid aftermarket radio that I cannot get to work. Either that or I'm very stupid. Like I say, want stupid bits like that. And the vent, but I have this. Some cheap Chinesium pod and a 3D printed vent thing that should go somewhere like that. Obviously it won't fit in properly, but yeah. So yeah, that's the little set introduced to the channel. I don't know how long it's going to be around. If somebody comes up with the right price, they can have it. No, so So let's go home and start fixing this bad boy. Hello guys, future me. While I'd seen the video, I forgot to do the outro. I'm a professional at this, aren't I? Next video will be the glove box, sorted out the handle. There is a big multi-change CD in there that doesn't work, so I'll be ripping that out as well. Maybe somewhere else, not sure what yet. So yeah, if you like this sort of thing, you know, hopefully you do. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye. More bloody traffic.